Hey guys, Rashid Phillips here. I'm joined again with my wonderful friends over at Masterbuilt, and today we're going to bring you a hot fajita recipe. And what we're going to do to sort of expedite the cook and really get flavor in each and every bite, we're going to pre-slice this. Now, when you're dealing with beef, keep in mind the way the muscle pattern runs. We're going to want to make sure we cut against the grain. And while we're doing this, I've got our Gravity Series 1050 coming up to temp. We're going to be going at about 600 degrees with the griddle insert. We've got our beef. Let's add a little bit of our liquids and our seasoning so we can get it marinating while we prepare our bell peppers. All right, now let's collect our peppers and onions and get it right onto the grill. All right guys, it is my absolute favorite part of the cook. Now mind you, I enjoy cooking, but I love eating even more. But before I take a bite, let's do a little rundown. We made some hot fajitas today, and the heat was from our red pepper flakes and cayenne. Enough talking, time to eat. Let's see how I did. The heat from the cayenne and the red pepper flakes is coming through. Yeah, this is all around great. For recipes like this and more, please visit masterbuilt.com.